In 2022, we had 19 children that died in road fatalities. In 23, we had 18. In 2024, we had 24. And so far for 2025, we have 5. A total of 65 young children at different ages that have died on our roads over the last few years. Let us remember these simple life-saving principles. Obey the speed limit. Speeding is a leading cause of crashes. It reduces your reaction time and increases the severity of collisions. Never drink and drive. Alcohol impairs judgment and coordination, and even one drink can be deadly. And that's not even to mention alcohol, substance, any kind of substance. Always wear your seatbelt, whether in the front seat or the back seat. Seatbelt saves lives and protect our children. Use proper child restraints and teach road safety to them from an early age. Last but not least, be courteous. Yield to pedestrians, respect fellow drivers, use indicators, drive defensively, not aggressively. So let us ensure that June is more than a ceremonial observance. Let Road Safety Month 25 be used as a turning point. The moment we all decide to make road safety our personal and collective priority, not just for 30 days, but for every day, for every road, and for every life.